Today we're going to be making a curtain rod out of a 1/2 inch pipe, a 90-degree elbow, a T, a flange, and the connectors to put them together. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Let's start. Today we're going to be making a curtain rod. The one that we currently have is about 12 feet long, and it sags in the middle because it's too long and it's just too thin. It's kind of a cheap one. So we decided to go with a 1/2 inch pipe with some connectors, and we're going to see if that works. First, I did get it from Lowe's, but I think you can go to Home Depot as well. And we have, they're able to cut it to the exact size that you need it, and they'll be able to thread it for you. What we're going to be doing right now is cleaning it, but as you can see right here, these are the threads. Not sure if you can see it on the camera. When you buy them, we bought two 10-footers that we cut down to about 6 feet a piece. Like I said, there's some connectors, and as you can tell, they're threaded. They're able to cut it and thread both sides. So I'm going to be cleaning it right now, taking some of the stickers off and getting it ready to get clean with mineral spirits. I'm using mineral spirits because I already had some here at home, but you could also use acetone and just a rag. I'm using an old rag here to put that on. So there's a few stickers on. I definitely recommend using gloves because this is dirty, and plus it's recommended when you're using, like I said, mineral spirit or acetone. There's tape on it. This is from the stuff from Lowe's, just to identify what it was. It was a 10-foot long piece, and then it was a 1/2 inch thick. I don't know if you can see that, but it's how it's pretty dirty. Make sure you read the instructions on yours, like your mineral spirits or acetone. It does say to you, it's recommended to be done in a well-ventilated area, which is why I'm choosing to do it outside. Some of these stickers are tough to get off. There it goes. The other one was way easier to get off. Here's the rag that I'm using. Like I said, it's just an old shirt. It does say, like I said, make sure you read the instructions. It does say to shake well. And then make sure when you're buying them at Home Depot or Lowe's, they all have different sizes. So make sure when you're getting like these base pieces and some of the other things that connect together, make sure they are all for 1/2 inch. So you don't end up, they do have various sizes. So just make sure your pipe and your pieces that connect are all the same measurement. So today was just the cleaning portion of it. Like I said, I'm gonna let it sit, make sure it dries properly. And once it's all dry and ready to go, we'll see, depending on what it looks like, whether we're gonna need to paint it or maybe we just leave it raw and clean like this. So we'll see. That's it. Finish cleaning it. Make sure to put this back on and we'll just let it sit and dry and see what happens. As you can see here, they didn't get clean enough, so I had to clean it with mineral spirits again. Now that we stripped it all down with the mineral spirits, we're gonna be putting the clear coat on it. I'm gonna be doing that right now. I also have some of the smaller pieces on here. I'm just gonna spray them while they're on the floor. Or on the box. As you can see, after cleaning them multiple times, they still didn't quite match, but we thought since it was going to be 10 feet in the air that they would look okay, so we're going to give them a try and see if they look all right. I had to get the stud finder. These are heavier and you definitely want them to be hanging from a stud. Drew my line, or my center line there, and putting my T, my connector, and my flange together. This is my centerpiece. They aren't too heavy. I was able to hold it up with one hand as I screwed it into place. We chose to put the curtains, hang them from clips on rings. Before you put your elbow and your connector together, we decided to put the rings in first so we don't have to take the rod apart. So we put those in first to make it easier on ourselves, and then we can hang the curtains afterwards. Once it was fully secured, I put the other side together, repeated the same steps, put the clips in, and then put the elbow, connector, and flange together, and then screwed it into place. Once all the screws were in, the rod was totally secured. I put some of my weight on it. I was trying to hang from it, but my wife would not let me completely put my full weight on it, so I didn't do that. The screws were also a copper color, and in order to make them black, I just used a Sharpie. Here you can see the difference. They came out really good. I went and put it on all of them. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much.